welcome along to this week's video. Today we're doing something a little bit different. As I'm sure you can imagine, it's been super crazy this end, running the pop-up in Wimbledon, the store in Berkshire, and obviously our online store for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So I'm copping out a bit and doing a true vlog where I bring you along behind the scenes on a day where I work from home. So I hope you don't mind the slight change in format. Let me know your thoughts by commenting below. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Welcome to another video. Today I'm doing something a little bit different that I've never done before, and that is to bring you along for a day in my life when I'm working from home. And look how glamorous it all starts off. So every single day I have to hit the gym, and that's just because when I'm lifting weights or running on a treadmill, actually I'll insert walking there, I never run. It completely clears my mind and I don't think about any of the stresses or any dramas going on because I'm just focusing in that moment on something else. So that is how I like to start every single day with. So today I'm actually going to be checking out some new office spaces in London. I've booked up 2 places to go and have a look at. One is over in High Street, Kensington, and one is over in South Kensington. It's just really nice to have some smart places to meet with clients and yeah, as we continue to branch out at Timps. So I thought I might just take you along, but first up, breakfast. So, got ready, super quick time, didn't even really have time to think what I'm wearing, but I'll share it with you anyway. I have my Stuart Weitzman over the knee, kind of classic suede boots. These Joni Holding Power jeans from Topshop, unbelievable, go buy them if you've not got them. Then I've just got a kind of basic roll neck, COS cardigan, diesel leather jacket, trusty crossbody Chanel bag, and a good old red lip, and we're good to go. So let's kick off with the High Street Kensington one. The reception area is really nice and it's quite buzzy. There's lots of people there. There's lots of stuff going on. There's really nice meeting room areas. It's across 5 different levels, so it would really enable our business to grow. There's a really nice kind of meeting area. It's in a good location. It is right opposite the station, so in terms of convenience, that's really good. And also there's an Ivy Garden restaurant attached to the offices, which would obviously be a really nice place to meet with clients and also kind of go after work and just be social. Also, I think there's lots of really nice office spaces around there as well. So I think Sony's based there, and naturally Palace is around there. Not that we'd be getting any clients from there anytime soon, but one can only hope. Then the next one that I went to go and see, I kind of left a little bit of my heart there, and I'm quite a go with your heart person. It was in South Kensington and it's across 3 different floors, and there's just really nice big open spaces that you could hold events in, and I do a lot of sales and things like that, and I just think there'd be a really nice space for those sorts of things. And it's kind of sandwiched between Stella McCartney, Joseph, and Carolina Herrera, and I just thought, wow, if that's not a signal, then I don't know what is. So I've successfully managed to visit both those offices. I'd also be really interested to know which one you think is nicest by commenting below. Now I am back home. This afternoon I've got to edit YouTube, I've got to do some accounts, speak to an accountant. I have got to, what else have I got to do? Yeah, end of the month, so wages, and yes, also some stuff for HMRC. That is what I've got to get up to this afternoon. It's currently 10 to 3 and I haven't had any lunch, but I did stop at M&S and get some chocolate, which is really naughty, but I just fancied it. I don't know, there's something about coming up to Christmas and you fancying chocolate. So yeah, I had a little bit of chocky to keep me going. And then really kindly, my lovely husband has booked for me an urban massage for tonight because he's amazing and I've been working really hard and he thinks I should take a break. So if he wants me to take a break, then who am I to argue? This is where I'm going to be sat for the rest of the afternoon into the evening, and do you know what? I can't complain because I've got just the most amazing view out over onto the River Thames, just there, and it's so relaxing. I kind of end up drifting off and just looking at all the boats go by. So I finished all my work, and to get me in the mood for a nice relaxing massage, I'm going to have one of these awesome clipper teas. So guys, thanks so much for choosing to watch this video. This is where I'm going to leave you as I relax with my urban massage. Take care.